How's it going, YouTube? It has been a long time. I think it's been about 4 or so years since I made a video on this thing or even worked on this thing. It's just been sitting in and out of storage, driving it here and there, but finally have an update for you guys. I entered it into a Hot Import Nights show up in Omaha in exactly 1 month. So we're gonna get this thing going. So videos will be coming out. Realistically, all this thing really needs, if I wanted to take it to a show tomorrow, is the front bumper installed, which is a carbon fiber top secret style, but full 100% carbon fiber bumper. Side skirts need to be fully bolted down and mounted. They're just kind of screwed in a couple spots. You can see the fitment's kind of junk on them. And then a new window motor installed because the window does not roll up. And then the interior is kind of apart right now because I am in the process of buying parts to do a manual swap. But I'll worry about the interior last, because really, as long as I get the exterior looking good, if we can take it to the show, I don't need to, have the windows down or anything. They're tinted. So be ready for videos to be coming out. I'm going to be starting on this thing this week. Started to get stuff mounted, and then this thing needs a really deep clean. You can see just how dirty it is. And then also my charge speed mirror, for some reason the bolts must have fell out, so I need to just remount my carbon fiber charge speed mirror and then get this all back up and the window back up. But see, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, mirrors, carbon. These are carbon fiber side skirts. They're Impul side skirts with carbon fiber laid over it, so those aren't like true carbon, but these are true 100% carbon. And then the hood, and then the front bumper. So we're gonna get this thing going, guys, get it all cleaned up, get it to the show, and gonna record the whole process. So let me know if you guys will be interested, if anybody will even watch this video, because like I said, it's been like 4 years since I even uploaded a video. So we're gonna get back into this. And then after the show, I'll continue to work on it, because I have a garage full of parts, because even though I wasn't working on this car or doing videos for 4 years, I was still buying parts. So I have so many parts for this thing. It's crazy that I need to get on, put and installed. But oh, and then also I forgot, trunk and these. I'll see you guys in the next one.